Hello guys, so in today's video we're gonna see about the modified versions of coding in function. So we're completing functions once and for all. So let's just dive right in. So yesterday we saw some complex ways to print the functions and do some cool stuff. But here are the easy, simple, modified, well-structured ways of doing the code. So let's just start in. So for I in just oh yes, I in 0 comma 1 comma 2. Okay. Obviously we have to keep the semicolon because it's a functional command. So print meow. Okay. So okay, I get some error. Oh. See, we have to double code. I missed the double code. That's why I got an error. So now it's pretty well. Meow, meow, meow. So 0, 1, and 2. So there are 3 cases, right? So you can also do one thing in here. Instead of this, you can print 3. Okay. So for I in range 3, meow should be printed. Okay. Again, I'm getting. I mean, what? For I in 3. Oh, range. Sorry. Okay, I'll explain this to you because for IN3 means you're not pretty good in defining. Okay, so I just missed this range. I just deleted the square brackets and put in the value of the normal brackets. So now this is not actually bad. It's just a silly mistake. So range 3. Okay, so meow 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 for 3, right? So let's say print meow into 3. Okay, I'll say. I mean, again, we have to define this inside the code. So again, we got meow meow meow. So even if it's continuous, we'll with this function we'll only be able to do continuous. Or else you can do one thing if you don't want continuous. Just add the space in here. Or else you can also do one thing. I mean, it doesn't really matter. So let's say for let's just close the terminal. For I in range 5, let's say. Now let's just get rid of this meow meow stuff. If I equals 3, semicolon, break, and then enter, print I. So 0, 1, 2. That's it. If you see, it breaks the whole algorithm. If this is not mentioned, this wouldn't have happened. See, only 3 is printed. So that's so this break is nothing but print the numbers before. Come on. Print the numbers that are before 5 only until it's 3. When it's 3, you just stop the algorithm. You can also do one thing. While true can be used. While true is just a function. Just note it down. There are many applications of this. So yeah, so these are pretty cool modifying stuff for function. So this is a very short video, so we're not covering that much of topics today. Tomorrow we'll be covering lists. Okay, a great part of list and sets and many other things like tomorrow will be libraries will cover. Libraries means not this PyTorch, some other weird stuff of Python. Okay, so those are pretty cool. So according to my notes, we have approximately 3 pages to cover. I mean, I write so small so that I can conserve the space. But I guess in 3 more videos, I must be able to cover the whole Python if those videos are a bit long, not as short as this. So that's it for today, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow.